What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, sometimes even 10 accounts, but we're using one account because you guys are beginners, you want to try it out, see if it works for you, and so on and so forth. Not a lot of investment, so to speak. So anyway guys, if you're interested in following along, links are in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. And let's get started. Okay, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting this particular product, the $25 digital business. It's because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income. That means that if you got, that means that I get paid every month 80% the income that comes through when I get a sale, so to speak. So for example, if you guys were to click on the link below, and decide you want to try the $25 business out, right, and pay for it, I will get $20 at that time. Now assume that you guys stay in the system, I will also get $20 next month. That's why it's so cool, because you don't really gotta get a ton of sales. You just gotta get a couple of people who will stay in the system. And that's why sales are so valuable. You know what I mean? And it's been working out for me. As you guys know, at this point, 4.3 commissions here. And it's been working out really well for me. That's all I'm trying to say. So anyway, guys, let's look at our results here. We're gonna refresh the page to make sure you guys can see my results. My real results. Don't believe results if they don't refresh the page. All right, guys? Anyway. All right, guys. It looks like I did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine. Totally fine now. Anyway, guys, let me show you guys how to get into this and take you step by step. All right, guys? So we're going to roll through real kind of quick. So anyway, there are links in the description below, like I mentioned before. Now the first one says step 1, $25 bid, something like that. Now you click on that link. Once you click on that link, it should take to a page that looks like this. And basically what this is just talking about $25 business, how much money you can make, instant 20 and 100 monthly commissions, so on and so on forth like that. And just give you more information about the system and so on. If you want to read about it, figure out if you want to try this out or not. Let's assume you do. You click on yes I want in, or anywhere on this page you click on it, it'll take you to a video that you have to watch, because I want to make sure you guys understand what you're purchasing. Definitely we're not trying to trick nobody, you know what I mean, trick somebody into purchasing. That's how you get low level, we're just not trying to trick you into purchasing this product, right? That's all it is. And so you watch this 1-minute video and you decide, hey, I still want to buy this product, right? So you'll get to a page that looks something like this. Now this is where you put all your information in, the credit card, all that good stuff, and and purchase the product. Now what I want to speak on is this is HBA Premium. Basically it's a system training resume that tells you how to make money online using all kinds of ways, constantly added, constantly updated, to kind of give you a better idea of to try to get you the best results, period. It basically help you get going, and get you to a certain step. They also constantly adding products to it. For example, they added a merchant content machine, basically make content for you. Basically you type in something and it'll make the content for you guys. Anyway, yeah, you get that if you want to. Now let me explain something here. You get 14 minutes free if you click on my link and try this out, guys. You'll get 14 days for free. Now one thing, right, let's say you get a sale and they buy the $25 business, but since you bought $25 business, you will get the $20. Now let's say the person let's say you did not get this, you did not get the HBA Premium here, and the person under you decides to get it, and they pay, and so they paying $100 monthly. but you will not get that $100 monthly if you do not also have the product. All right, guys, I want to make sure I clarify that very specifically, because some people ask me, you need the product to get the commission. I have every product in this system. I make whatever I come through. Other day, a $400. I got $400 the other day, as y'all guys know, and it's just beautiful. All right, so yeah. All right, so after you purchase the product, go through the stuff and all that. By the way, there's videos explaining all this. I'm just going through it kind of quickly. So you get to a page that looks something like, hold up, you log in, right? You get to a page that looks something like this. You look at it for a minute, right? It'll just focus on the top here. The bottom might look a little different. And what I'm gonna click on is affiliate zone. That's what you need to go. You need to go to the affiliate zone, and then you need to go to sign up for affiliate. All right, guys, like I say, there's videos about all of this, but yeah, sign up for the affiliate program. Once you do that, click on the login to SoundCard. Very easy process. And once you log into SoundCard, it'll take you to this page here. And once you get into this page here, right, you want to click, this is where you get your links at, and the one you want is the all-in-one $25 business right here, guys. It's the one you want. That's the one that promotes the $20 commissions per month and the $100 commission per month. That's the one I promote for the recurring income. That's the one you want to go with. And all other products are promoted anyway in the system when you get in. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to it when it comes to getting your links. Now, once you got your links, guys, there's another link in the description that says step 2. And it says the My Lead Gen Secrets, right? Something like that. You click on that link, it'll take you to this page here, and you can watch the videos about 7 minutes long to tell you all about it. Basically, you get 100 leads every day. All right, that's all it really saying. And you can click on use my secret now, log in, and you just put your email, all that stuff, make you an account, right? So I'm finna log in real quick. All right, log in. Okay, it didn't go through. Log in, and basically you in, right? Now, once you in, one thing I want to make sure I clarify: do not purchase the master email swipes. You do not need them. There's plenty of emails to use. Don't worry about that. So anyway, we're gonna go to mailing system, guys, and we're gonna click on all our leads here. All right, we're gonna click on our leads. Now you could just load up an email if you wish. You could do that, no problem. If you want to, you can always do that. But what I'm gonna particularly do, right, guys, is I'm gonna put in one of my emails that I've written already. I'm gonna pick 3 here. I'm gonna put an email that I've written already here, and we're gonna use it. I'm just gonna change the numbers around, cause I wrote these emails for a different system, but they're very, very easy to change, because I don't really specify which system I wrote the emails for, so it works for all of them, and they are my most successful emails I have ever used is the ones I personally wrote. So once you get that in, and we're just gonna copy paste here. You can do the same thing, pause the video and copy it if you wish. I'm basically just copying email here, copy, and just putting it into the system here. Paste. Right, copy, paste. That in. Oh. All right, so okay, so we're gonna put like 150 here for one thing. Fold it. I'm gonna bold and textilize this. Basically, just make it a little bit more interesting. Fold that on top of, like, bold. Bold. Isolate. Alright, and that's all there is to it. You just, and like I stated before, you could just copy this, pause the video and copy it, you know, as I put it in here. Not a big deal. And that's all there is to that, guys. You slowly build up, and that's the email, guys. You done. That's all you gotta do. Put your make sure to hit perfect timing. That links. What that does is send the email around time people check their email. Make sure you preview the video. Make sure I preview and make sure the link works here, guys. I'm gonna check that real quick. My link does work. All right. So not a big deal there. That's all there is to it, guys. And you just send an email, and that's all there is to it. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. All the links in the description below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.